Have you ever wondered why some fish swim upstream? Let's dive in and find out. Many fish, like salmon, swim upstream to spawn. They're returning to the place where they were born to lay their eggs. Swimming upstream ensures their eggs are laid in a safe environment with fewer predators and plenty of oxygen-rich water. These calm, gravelly areas are perfect for protecting eggs until they hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the young fish eventually swim downstream to grow and mature in the open waters before starting the cycle again. Swimming upstream is a remarkable journey of survival and renewal, ensuring the next generation of fish thrive. Like and subscribe for more amazing nature stories.